Out of my way. One side. Look. I'm a policeman. Open up in the name of the law. Do you hear me? I said I'm a policeman. No, Golda. All my life I wanted to say that. But I'm afraid we're not. Golda? Golda! Golda!
All right, break it up. Just break it up. Let the police through. Okay? Just for that, everybody off of the freeway. What's wrong down there? Don't you hear me?
What are you, some kind of a kook, lady?
Keep your eyes on the road. What do you want to cause, a wreck?
Well, you're walking on top of my car.
You're lucky I'm not Jose Greco.